Hey guys, welcome to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. This week I'm going to take you through these super cool UltraLED QuasarX low profile beacon bars. I'm really excited about these because these are things that we've actually had made to our spec for the first time ever in lighting, so I can't wait to show you. Let's get into it. Okay, beacon bars, not a new thing. Obviously, they've been around for a long time. Low profile LED beacon bars, also been around for a long time. What we've tried to do, so we have a brand, some of you may not be aware of it, it's quite new, it's called UltraLED. We've been doing marker lights and double burners for a little while. We're trying to kind of take each segment and try and redefine it and just make them look a bit better. I'm not saying that every beacon bar out there is kind of like not good to look at. Some of them are, some of them are a bit clunky and bulbous,um and yeah, we want to move away from that. So the whole idea of Quasar, which is these guys here, was to have a product that, one, was super functional, which it is, I'll go through those specs in a minute, but two, actually looked nice, and I think we've achieved it. You can see they're super low profile, they're just 36mm, not including the brackets obviously, but the actual bar itself. They have this beautiful black design across the top and black aluminum underneath as well, so it's nice and strong. And then we have this smoked kind of lens to the edge of it as well. It gives this smoke effect, and all in all they're just a very good looking bar. Functionality, yes, they're Reg 10, which means you can fit them type approved. They've all got type approval certificates. They're also Reg 65 or Class 2, so they have the patterns built in to be compliant with that. The first two patterns are Reg 65. They also have so they don't just have the Reg 65 patterns, they have 19 patterns in total, 17 other ones which are all fine to use. You don't have to use them for show use or anything, they're all fine to use on the road. They range from just a simple flasher to a circulating pattern. They have dynamic indicator patterns left and right, which you can access if you want to, so you could program that into your vehicle, which would be quite cool, or from the middle like a hazard light. And they have some really cool ones where, especially on the long guy down here, it kind of builds in from the edge, which is a really cool pattern. That's my favorite one actually. So size wise, we've started 2 feet, we go 3, we go 4, and we go 5 feet. We have in development a 6 and a 7 foot version as well, and also we're going to be doing the 2 foot with a mag mount base, get that right, mag mount base, so they're going to be coming as a future generation. However, these 4 are all in stock, they're ready to ship right now from our stock. Like I said, I was just really excited to get these in. The other thing we kind of tried to think about was not everyone necessarily wants to hardwire these things. And also, sometimes when you buy a beacon bar, you buy the beacon bar and then you get a length of cable that's like 1 meter long, which doesn't get you anywhere near. So we thought about it, so every single bar comes with 5 meters of shielded cable on it as standard. And then also on the end of it, as standard, you get a SIG plug with a switch and a pattern selector. Okay, maybe not everyone wants to plug that into the cigarette lighter plug, but we're trying to give everyone the same option. If you don't want to use that, that's fine. You snip it, we give you a wiring diagram within the box. It's a wiring diagram, there's 3 wires. Live, neutral, and then your pattern selector. And you can just hardwire it into the vehicle as though you would any other beacon bar. So it's kind of both ways, it works both ways. If you want the quick fit, I don't know, perhaps you've only got the vehicle for a little while, it's a lone vehicle, I don't know, whatever situation, plug it in, route the cable, and away you go. Or you can do the hardwire fit as well, which is what our guys are going to be doing, our engineers. They've already hardwired and fitted some of these when we've been doing the road testing, and they've performed really well. Talking about performance, they come with a 2-year return to base warranty as standard. Okay, it's a new product, but they've come from somewhere which is a seriously proven factory. It's proven technology, the LED chips inside them are proven LED chips, the ICE connectors are all proven ICE connectors. You know, we're confident that these are going to withstand whatever is thrown at them. And if not, it's no quibble warranty. So if you're in the 2 years, give us a call, we'll sort it out, it's not a problem. So yeah, so let's show you some of the flashing. They are bright. Millie's behind the camera, you might want to put your shades on. We'll turn this on. I've got the top one just to show you wired up down here. So we have a standard flash pattern, and then the standard left to right flash pattern. So both of those two are the R65 approved patterns. And then we toggle through to a more strobe efficient. And again, you know, I mean, it's all flashing. This one's quite cool. I quite like this one. And then the other way around as well. So it's kind of like a fast rotate. Then we have the dynamic to your left, and then the dynamic to your right, and then the dynamic from the middle outwards, basically, which obviously this is on the small bar. The bigger bars, they look pretty cool too. And another one which is just a nice random pattern there, and then like a mixture strobe, so it gives you these 4 or 5 flashes and then 4 or 5 fast flashes left and right again. And another one that builds in. Again, this one here, it looks much cooler on the bigger bar. And then we're back through to another strobe. I didn't count. I might have lost count here. We might be back. I think we're back. Anyway, so there you go. There's some patterns. I can turn the other one on as well. Show you the bigger guy. Oh, look at that. That looks quite cool. So that is, this one lit up here is the 4-foot low profile. This is the 2-foot low profile. So that should give you a good idea of the differentiate. I can't say that word. Millie put that on the screen for me. Whatever that word that means you can see the difference between the 2-foot and the 4-foot and get an idea how the pattern goes. Anyway, so yeah, it's a short video. I know it's a beacon bar. We try and diversify what we show you. I just wanted to talk you through this as well. They're all available on our website. The links will all be down below. We offer, obviously, you know, you can buy them online. If you're an auto electrician and you're looking to switch, or you want to have some additional products in your line, we offer trade pricing on that as well. It is UK stock, it is UK backup. You'll only be talking to us. It's our brand. And yeah, so thanks ever so much for watching. So we looked back at our, let me just turn these off because these things are bright. Jeeps. We looked back at our video views the other day, guys. And it seems that most of you are watching aren't actually subscribed to our channel. So, you know, if you wouldn't mind, if you have enjoyed this video, or perhaps you've watched another video, can you please like the video, which some of you are doing. If you could please also subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon, that would be awesome. If you do that, comment on this video, say, Tim, I've subscribed, and I'm going to pick one, no I'm not, I'm going to pick 2 or 3 of you at random, and you can pick whichever size one of these bars you want and you can have it for free. How about that? Okay, so subscribe, like the video, bell notification icon, we can check those 3 things. Leave me a comment below, Tim, I have subscribed, and maybe we'll reach out to you and you can have a bar. How about that? Okay, great. See you next week.